today is an exciting day. Anytime you get a package in the mail from DJI is always a good day. So I don't know if y'all are familiar or not, but I am always on the search for better audio. Audio has always kind of been my weakness in this whole YouTube journey. Like, audio has just been the toughest thing for me to kind of conquer. I had no idea that it was as finicky as it is. You know, like, I once heard that if you have $1,000 to spend on audio, then you need to spend $200 on a microphone and $800 on sound treatment. So I haven't spent $800 on sound treatment, but I have sound treated every wall, the ceiling, the floor, and now I got a good microphone. But I've been using the Rode Wireless Go 2, and not saying that's not a good microphone and that I can't get good audio with it, but I feel like this one is going to be a better fit for me. So just got home from work, and this was at the door. Sorry, I'm still in my work clothes, but we're gonna jump right into this. So one of the things I haven't been real happy with the Rode is one, exporting. The fact that you have to have the Rode app to get your audio off, and to adjust settings you have to go through the Rode app as well. But one thing I did do, or one thing about the DJI that I like a lot, is the magnets. You're able to put it pretty much anywhere because of the magnet. And I even took some really high-powered magnets and stuck them to my Rode, and you know, yeah, it works good, but I think I might be getting some interference from that. But charging the Rode has been an issue. You know, you either have to do one at a time or have 3 different charging blocks and 3 different cables, or buy the cable. Yeah, I'm so excited. I mean, any product from DJI gets me excited. Oh man. Oh. Is that it? Is that how big it is? That's it? Oh. Oh, y'all ready for this? We're gonna give some of our ASMR listeners. Was that satisfying to y'all? I thought the case was gonna be so much bigger than that. I really did. Man, the Rode case is huge. Look at that. Oh, are you serious right now? That's it? Oh, they're so small. Are you... Why? No way are they... Oh, I'm sorry. I just yelled. No way are they that small. Is this really happening right now? Look at that. No way are they that small. That is awesome. And look at the little magnet. Dang, that dude is strong. Oh my God, I'm so excited. And it's on right now. That's it. You know, when I bought these, I immediately had buyer's remorse. I mean, immediately I was like, I don't need that. I just want it. I don't need it. I want it. And I immediately had buyer's remorse. And you know, I've kind of done that with everything I have from DJI. I got the Mini 2, Flymore kit, and then I got the Osmo 1, and what else do I have? I feel like I have some more stuff. I don't know. It doesn't matter. But I've always had buyer's remorse when I bought something from DJI. But it's gone. It's eliminated. The fact that that's all I have to carry. I mean, it is definitely heavier. But look at the footprint. It's really not even thinner. Look at that. Oh, I'm so excited. So is it considered cardinal sin to use a Rode lavalier with the DJI? Boop. Oh man, look how tiny. I just can't get over how small this is. I'm so excited. But let's see what else comes in the pack. But I got to get ready. My daughter's last volleyball game of the season is today. In just a little bit. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what else is in here. And then I got to get ready and go hit the road, and then we'll test these things out. Oh, we got baggage. I like baggage. quick start guide. Is there a sticker? One sticker. DJI mic, quick start guide. What else we got in here? Oh, we got cables. Oh, we got the dead cats. We got a USB-C cable, and then we got the TRS branded DJI. Boy, that's a stiff boy. Dang, that's stiff. And then we got another one. They don't give you an extra one, and I bet you have to pay a ridiculous amount. I don't know if I like that color. I am so stoked on that. I did not know they were going to be this small. That is so compact. And the fact that you can charge everything up with one cable. And not only can you charge everything up with one cable, but you can recharge them without a cable with this case. So I don't really know all the specs. These have been out for a while, and you know, like I said, they're not new. They've probably been out about a year now. They've definitely been out. They're newer than the Rode. And look, I'm not knocking Rode. I like Rode. I've got a Rode microphone here. I've got a Rode microphone, the Video Micro I keep in my bag. I keep this in my bag. Like, I'm not knocking them. They're great. They have really done a lot for the creative industry, and I'm very, very pleased with all their products. The only thing that I didn't really care about with this was exporting my audio and having to charge them. And I wish they had magnets. Now, they do sell a magnet for it, and it was $22 for one, and I just didn't want to do that. Not being cheap, but I mean, I've already got $300 invested in this, and then I got to spend another $20 on a magnet and another $15 on a cable to be able to charge them all three at once, and then another $15 on a cable to be able to use it with my phone. And like, it's just, you know, I mean, you can get wrapped up $400 in this quick. So why not just go ahead and one-stop shop? Now, Curtis Judd did do a review saying that the sound on the Rode was a lot better. The noise floor wasn't as good on these as the Rode, but I don't know. Haven't used them yet. We're going to use them here in just a little bit. So I'm going to go get ready to go to this volleyball game, and then I'm going to take y'all with me, and we'll see how they sound after that. All right. Appreciate you. See you in a little bit. Okay, so we made it back from the volleyball game. It didn't go so well, but I plan on going somewhere else to do this, but we need to get home to walk the dog, and plus I was pretty hungry. So first things first, now recording in C-Log, so I don't know if that looks better for you, but supposedly it's supposed to look a lot better. Hey, can you slow down for me? I'm trying to catch up. Say hey. All right, so right now we got the Rode Wireless Go 2 and the DJI right here on my little chest strap. First thing I can't get over is the size. It is so cute. Look at this little thing. I just can't get over how small it is. But there are a few setbacks that I noticed right off the bat. The little stiffy boy cable that came with it, I can't use it and have the receiver facing forward because it's not long enough. Now, I'm sure that's just a Canon thing. It might work well on Sony's, but it's not working on my Canon R. She's hard to handle, isn't she? So I'm recording a backup track on the DJI and going also directly into the camera, but then I'm recording separately with the Wireless Go 2. And I'm gonna try to go back and forth so we can kind of compare the audio. What else? The second thing that I found that I didn't really care for is that with now having that case with both microphones and the receiver in it is awesome. It's nice having it all compact like that, but I can't fit the little windscreen thing and the cable in the case. So now I have to have the case and the little pouch to keep all the accessories in, versus the Rode, you could kind of have everything in that one little pouch. It was a little bit bigger, but it's hope that wasn't too loud for you. It is a little bit bigger, but it's flatter and it's soft, so it can kind of form to whatever you put it in. In order to keep the gain down on the camera, on the preamps, I had to turn the gain up on the receiver to, it's at plus 12, and I don't know if that's too high or what. I have no idea what the audio quality is going to be like until I get back in, but this is kind of just first impressions and just showing how stoked I am to have it. I mean, anytime you get a product from DJI, you got to be excited. So right now the receiver, I got the gain plus 1, and then on the transmitter, I get the gain plus, it's plus 12 on the receiver, plus 1 on the transmitter. And it's not clipping on either one, and it's showing about 10 decibels on the camera, and it's showing like 12 on the receiver. So I know just enough to be stupid with audio, and I've had a hard time getting crispy audio. Also, there's a breeze kind of blowing directly into my face right now, so this is a good opportunity to test the difference between the two windscreens. So I'm not sure which one's going to work better, but so far with past experiences, the one on the road works pretty good. I just can't get over how small that is. Look at that. I mean, 2 of those would make one wireless Go 2. So anyway, we're gonna get it back into, we're gonna get back to the house, and then I'm gonna upload all this into DaVinci Resolve, and then we're gonna see how it sounds. I'm gonna try to switch back and forth, but I think I am recording a backup track on both, just in case I have the input or the gain too high on either one of them. So the backup track is supposed to be recorded at -6 decibels. We lost the volleyball game, by the way, and it was their last game, and it was an away game. I hate that it was away for them, but they got whooped up on pretty good. Okay, so let's go in here and dump this footage and see what we got.
All right, well, if you made it this far in the video, I really appreciate it, and let's go over some of the findings. So I noticed that the Rode Wireless Go 2 was a little bit bassier, at least with my voice, which isn't a good or bad thing. I guess it's all just personal preference. I'm still really satisfied with the DJI mic, and I think they've done a really great job. I mean, this is their first attempt at it, so I think that they pretty much nailed it. There's still a few things that I'm a little bit disappointed in. I wouldn't even really call it disappointment, but the fact that I have to have, 2 cases to carry it. I love the size of this case, and I mean, the size of the microphone, the size of the transmitter, the size of the case, everything about it is amazing. But the fact that, you have to have another bag. I actually had one of these little Peep design bags that I, keep the furry windscreen and the cable. And while we're talking about the cable, I'm having to use the Rode cable because the transmitter I can't face the transmitter forward with this cable. I don't, it's not really that much too small, but I think if it just had these 90s, I could probably make it work. And I'm using the Canon EOS R. So I don't know if it's a Canon thing, if it works on some cameras, but on mine, the receiver has to be facing the other way to where I can't see the settings and everything. So I've been using the Rode with it, and I don't know what to say. If I ever sell the Rode kit, then I'll have to send this with it, and then I'll end up having to buy one. So that's kind of a bummer. So I think I'm supposed to say as a disclaimer that I bought both of these microphones with my own money. Neither company sent them to me, though I wish they would, and they're more than welcome to if you're listening. So it's not sponsored. They have no say-so in the video, and I purchased these with my own money. And I also will most likely be putting these up for sale, probably on Gear Focus or maybe Facebook Marketplace. I don't know yet. I hate Facebook Marketplace. So I'll probably put these on Gear Focus. Definitely not eBay. eBay's fees are way too high. I just don't like selling on eBay. So be looking out for that if you're looking to buy a used set of Rode Wireless Go 2s. Also, I wanted to kind of touch base on this a little bit more. I know this video is about the DJI mic, but I bought these magnets on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below if you have the Rode the Rode Go 2. It's just 3M tape that came with the magnets, and it works pretty good. So I don't know if y'all heard any interference in that video. I didn't, so it actually worked out pretty good. Pretty neat little hack. So I'll put a link in the description for these. There'll be a link in the description for the Rode microphones, and there'll also be a link in the description for the DJI mic. Little disclaimer, I do get a very, very small commission, almost comedically small commission if y'all purchase something through the affiliate links. And anything I do make through those links, I turn around and put it right back into the channel. I'm grateful for each and every one of y'all, and if you think I deserved it, a sub would be cool. If you found this helpful, you hit the like button, that'd also be cool. So if not, we'll catch you on the next one. So as always, take care of yourselves. I know you deserve it. Hope you have a great weekend, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.